Garage Lawn, Glanmore.
The future seemed so bright.
Garage Lawn, Glanmore.
And this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels had their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes.
Mae Garage Lawn Glanmore yn agored trwy'r nos pob nos. Llain o olau melyn rhwng Clwb Crossville a maes parcio gwag y drive-in takeaway. A'r môr gerllaw yn gwrando. Cei brynu petrol a fferins yno. Cei sgwrs wrth y counter hefo Geraint. Bydd yn darllen nofel. Yn hanner gwrando ar Radio Luxembourg. Yn mesur ei oriau fesul peneidiau.
Try and touch me so I can scream at you not to touch me. Run out the room and I'll follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you I'm nothing. I'm so lost, hug me, then tell me how ugly I am. But that you'll always love me. Then after that, shove me. In the aftermath of the destructive path that we're on, two psychopaths. But we know that no matter how many knives we put in each other's backs, that we'll have each other's backs. Cause we're that lucky. Together we move mountains. Let's not make mountains out of molehills. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have hit you 3 times. I'm starting to lose count, but together we'll live forever. We found the youth fountain. Our love is crazy, we're nuts, but I refuse counseling. This house is too huge. If you move out, I'll burn all 2,000 square feet of it to the ground. You can do about it, cause with you I'm in my mind. Without you I'm out it.
A phwy yw'r rhain sydd yn dyfod, I fyny o'r anialwch. 2 neu 3 mewn jacedi lledr. I brynu Mazba a Pepsi wrth gerdded adref.
Have you checked your oil? Have you checked your oil?
Le rei di felly o fama. Have you checked your oil? Gwranda am eiliad, cyn camu nôl at y car. Ar yr awel fwyn o'r gardd. Yn siglo'r arwydd gwychlyd. A dyma'r nos yn galw, ar y rhai sydd rhywsut yn ffyffol symudol, yn dal I rando ar y llais.
Open 24 hours.
Fel Garage Lawn Glanmore.
Thank you for calling.
Ei, di'r deryn di, tu ma di'r islaw, o cais fy nghangen gyd, for I'm so deep in love. Ni welaf yn un man, such a day.